See the book, it opens wide. Learn a lesson deep inside. Pencil writes, let's start to draw. Shapes and letters, oh what a awe. Learning is fun, together we play. Everyday items showing us the way. See the colors rise and shine. Crayons teaching us the design.
Hi everybody, welcome to Education's Fun. Today we're learning vegetables. Carrot. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Broccoli. Broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Potato. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Potato. Pepper. Pepper. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. Pepper. Cabbage. Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Cabbage. Peas. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. Peas. Sweet corn. Sweet corn. S-W-E-E-T-C-O-R-N. Sweet corn. Sweet corn. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Turnip. Turnip. T-U-R-N-I-P. Turnip. Turnip. Parsnip. Parsnip. P-A-R-S-N-I-P. Parsnip. Parsnip. Chili. Chili. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chili. Chili. zucchini, 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 zucchini. Green beans, green beans, GREEN, BEANS, green beans, green beans. Tomato, 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 tomato. Onion, 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 onion. Pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. Mushroom, 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 mushroom. Thank you for tuning in and learning the vegetables today. We'll be back again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Pencil writes, let's start to draw. Shapes and letters, oh what a awe. Learning is fun, together we play. Every day items showing us the way. See the colors rise and shine. Crayons teaching us the design.